Please keep the same pose. 3, 2, 1. You can look at her for this one. 3, 2, 1. Just hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, khona le AI yenu bafana sinishaya to the core. Le AI yenu. Le AI yenu sinishaya. Sino genius nini sinokwazi ukuthi nihlanganise izinto. Nize ningikali ukuthi ngigqokeni namhlanje. Maze ngithatha umawelele nimbe eduze kwami. Mase ngiyancika esifubeni samawelele. Niyimisele ngani? Akumina loya. Akumina loya. Akumina ngiyaphika. Angikaze ngigqoke mina umeruni. Angikaze nginistole ngomeruni. Angikaze nginistole ngomeruni mina. Akumina loya. Akumina ngiyaphika. Ngiyaphika. How?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Love it in the air. Oh, love it in the air. Umawelele and Unaledi appear they are back together kasana like they never left. So people are saying good house and biyelele nini fast sona ay guys into abantu abayithu ayingenwa njengoba basho abantu nje lapha ku TikTok uthi yabona tizaba abantu temathando ngive ngiphinze ngithi ngena never that. So they are back together ngathi abakase bahlukene babanhle yinhle into ezingane asifuni ngingasho, and uNaledi Aphiwe is denying getting back with Umawelele, saying ukuthi bantu they are using AI ukuthi babahlanganise bamgonise naku Mawelele, but siyabona I mean sibatsala asibajaji bantwana asibajaji and people are saying ukuthi cha nibandle ke la nje kuhlanyisa ke la lendeni kumahlukana hlanganani qhubeka kanje nibambe sona zingane nibandle siyanthanda futhi. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.